Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix runtime error code 429 ActiveX component cannot create objective in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also face error code, then I will show you very easy method to fix this problem. First of all, open your services, then select ActiveX installer. Right click on ActiveX installer, click on properties. Here you select automatic in startup type, click on start, click on apply, click on OK. After doing this, close and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you fix runtime error 429 in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.